So today we're going to teach you the 4 basic rules of gun safety. By implementing these rules, you'll practice proper gun safety and be able to handle a gun. Your first rule is you want to always assume the gun is loaded. And when you're looking into the chamber by pulling the slide back, you always want to visually check to make sure there's not a bullet in there. The second rule is always keep your finger off the trigger before that moment you want to shoot the gun. So right before you want to shoot the gun, you're going to place the finger on the trigger and then pull the trigger. The third rule is you're always point the gun at something that you want to shoot. If you're not willing to shoot or you're not ready to shoot, do not point your gun down range. The third and final rule is always know what's beyond your target. If you're aiming at a target, just know what's beyond it. You never know how far the bullet will carry or how it will ricochet, so it's always good to know what's beyond your target. So for the first rule of gun safety, we got a pistol here, the Ruger LC9S. We're going to check, magazine's empty, put it back in. We're going to pull the slide back, look down the barrel, gun's clear. It's good, gun's safe and clear. That's your first rule of gun safety. Okay, second rule of gun safety, as you can see, my finger's off the trigger. When you're about ready to fire, that's when you move your finger to the trigger, but always keep your finger off the trigger until you're ready to fire. Okay, so third rule, you always want to point your gun down range. So we have a for sale sign as our target. So I'm not ready to shoot yet. I'm always pointing the gun down, finger off the trigger. When I'm ready to shoot, aim, then I go to the trigger. That's the third rule. As we can see, as I mentioned earlier on in the video, we have a for sale sign as our target. For the fourth and final rule, know what's beyond your target. We've set the target up, we have a bank behind it, so that ensures proper gun safety, because if it goes through the target, it'll go in the heel and cause no further harm. Eye protection. So, we're going to get ready. First rule, got a full magazine. Bullets in the chamber. Gun point down. Finger off the trigger. Ready to fire. Range going live.